Okay, hello again. Video number 4 in today's 4-video series to celebrate my 40th anniversary as a vegan. Now, we are making a Fatoush salad, sort of with a little different twist. Let's take out our knife. Many chefs will make a Fatoush salad and add a thinly sliced onion, which I'm not going to do. I'm really not into. Onions are just a little too, raw onions are a little too much for me. So what I'm going to do is slice some fennel because it kind of has that same shape, and it adds a nice aromatic kick to the salad. Slice thinly and carefully. You see the way the ribs on fennel, see how they're vertical? Okay? Always slice along the ribs. Don't slice across, because you're going to get very tough slices of fennel that way. And some people have a mandolin and they do this. That's great. If you have a mandolin, always use a glove. If you don't have a mandolin, just use a knife and be careful. Keep the knife low. Never raise a knife high. Keep it low and keep your fingers bent under. Just a little bit of fennel. I'll save this for later on. I'll have it with an orange. Make a little fennel and orange medley. Great for digestion. Okay. Kind of looks like onions. Doesn't taste or smell like onions, though. Okay, we have that. Let's cut up some baby cubes. Oh, the cubes. It just has that great, bright, clean cucumber smell. Nice and refreshing. Listen to that guitar solo. It's called On the Incoming Tide. Okay, now let's add some cherry tomatoes. These are grape tomatoes, really. Really good ones. But I want some more of them. These are great. They're from Lady Moon Farms. My friends at Basic Foods here in Hoboken have them. Wonderful. Okay. Now, not enough tomato. Let's get the greens in there. we're using arugula today. It's already been spun, washed. A lot of times they'll use romaine, sometimes iceberg. And, you know, romaine has some vitamins. Iceberg doesn't have much in it except for really good fiber, unless you get the outer leaves, which you very rarely see unless you grow it yourself. And they're very rich in nutrients. Lots of chlorophyll and manganese and different things. Good fiber. Okay? Now, this is such a good song, I have it on repeat, just so you know. All right. Cutting is done. This gets washed and put away. Wash and dry your knives right away and put them in the sleeve where they belong, nice and safe. Okay. Oh, now we're going to add I roasted a little while ago. Crash, boom, bang. A little while ago, I roasted some bread. Normally they would use pita bread. I'm using Ezekiel tortillas. Ezekiel tortillas are not made from flour. They're made from sprouted grains and beans. So it's a fuller nutritional profile, better amino acids and protein, more digestible, less gluten. Not zero gluten, but a lot less gluten and more digestible. Okay, let's kind of toss that through like so. Okay. That looks pretty good. All right. Now, we add, sometimes they add lemon, sometimes red wine vinegar. I sometimes add apple cider vinegar, which I'm out of right now, and I used all my lemons in the other recipes, and I don't have any wine vinegar. So, I have some really good organic balsamic vinegar from Seggiano. It's a great company. And some nice organic olive oil. Extra virgin, of course. And this is the real deal. This is not that stuff that's sometimes you hear about, like on news programs. 2 tablespoons should do the trick. Not like on news programs where they have, where it's like cottonseed oil and they dye it green and they put olive flavoring in it. This is from a very good small plantation. This is the Le Marche company, and it's from a single plantation in Lago di Garda in Italy. Okay, now, so we just give this a little toss. Happy birthday to my great friend Sohela Sabsi. She and her husband Michael are such good friends of mine. There, really my big brother and sister here. And Sohela is literally, without a hint of exaggeration, the best chef in all of Hoboken. By light years. Trust me, I've been there. Okay, a little sea salt. Okay, and now, something that they don't always do in Lebanon, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to add some za'atar. Za'atar is usually served with bread, but I like it so much I'm adding it to my Fatoush salad. It sprinkles out slow, so you do a lot. And I'm going to add a little bit of dried oregano. You could also use fresh oregano. And now the important topper. Let me see where I have it. Here it is. Sumac. You must have sumac on top. Yeah, so Sohela and Michael are great friends of mine, and Sohela's a great chef, and we've been friends for a very long time, close to 40 years. And you top it with the sumac. Sumac has a little bit of like a citrusy, almost hint of salty citrusiness. Do a little extra. Bam, boom, boom. I don't like to say bam. Take that back. No bam, no boom. Just whoosh. Okay. Now, something they don't do in Lebanon, but I'm going to do it here tonight with you, is eat with chopsticks. This kind of thing goes well with chopsticks. Okay, now. Okay, you know what? That's nice. Final meal of the day. Final meal of the four video series. Be blessed, be blessed, be blessed. Bless your food before you eat it. So thank you. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for hanging in there today. 4 videos. I don't know, 15, 20 minutes each, something like that. So, chlorophyll, amino acids and protein, soluble vitamin E, lycopene, magnesium, potassium, calcium, a little sodium, lots of volatile oils to help purify the blood system and the lymphatic system and the vascular system of the body. Za'atar. Here's a little piece of historical trivia. In the old days, back in the 50s, in Lebanon, if a student was doing badly in school, their teacher would send them home to eat a lot of za'atar to enhance their scholastic performance, because all the herbs in there promotes good circulation to the brain, to the cerebral cortex. And there's research on thyme and marjoram and rosemary and oregano and basil and all these things that open up capillary beds, capillary circulation. So also good for the skin, the hair, the nails, and the integumentary system. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my friends who've been with me all these years, here on YouTube and here in life. As I said earlier, this is lovely. All my friends at the Hoboken Farm Boy, which is no longer around, Sobsey's Produce, Basic Foods, best salads in Hoboken, alfalfa. Get the sunflower salad. Sohela invented the dressing. Okay. So, stay healthy. Stay strong. Eat vegan. Take care of yourselves. And here's a cucumber. I have to have that piece of cucumber. Take care of each other. Practice forgiveness. Nourish your body. Nourish your spirit. Nourish those around you. Check in on each other. These are the cold days of winter. But even in the coldest, darkest days, there's a little more light every day. Tomorrow there's going to be more light than today. So let's get out there and walk in the light. Walk on the sunny side. Hold each other in the light. Stay healthy. Stay blessed. I love you all. Reach out if you need to reach me. And we'll see you real soon for the next video. Peace. Keep the faith.